Hello friends, my name is Govin and I welcome to you GMR Russian classes. Before moving ahead, I would like to request to you all that please subscribe, like and share my channel. So today we are going to learn countings, how we spell numbers in Russian language. So today we are going to learn about this. So I have some slides, so I'll show you that. So let's start with 1 to 10. First one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So next we have 11 to 20. 11 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's count again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Same as after 20 we count as like 21. Same as 21, 22, 23, 21, 22, 23. It will be same like English numbers. So let's count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So how we spell it? 10, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's count again. 10, 12, 13, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. After this, we will have hundreds. 100, 100, 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900, 1000. This is it. So let's count again. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 600, 700, 800, 900. This is it. So these were the countings of Russian language, how we spell it, how we spell it. So I hope you like my video. So I would like to request you again, to you all guys, that please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.